What if I told you there is a medical breakthrough that can do what no diet, no workout, and no supplement has ever done before? Imagine waking up every morning feeling like you are 20 again, with the energy of a teenager, the metabolism of an athlete, and the recovery power of someone half your age. This isn't science fiction. This is the power of Sermorelin and HGH peptide. If you have ever experienced constant fatigue that coffee can fix, weight that won't budge no matter how much you diet, slow recovery after workout, skin that's losing its glow, muscle loss as you age, decreased libido and energy, then this video is going to change everything you thought you knew about aging and body transformation. I am Jay Patel, a physician assistant specializing in metabolic optimization. I am going to reveal the medical secret that the fitness industry and most doctors don't want you to know. Let me be crystal clear. This isn't about magical weight loss pill or fountain of youth promise. This is about understanding how your body truly works at the hormonal level. Most people think aging and body composition are about willpower. They are wrong. It's about biology, specifically your body's hormone production. By the time you hit 30, your body's natural growth hormone production starts to decline, and I mean dramatically. At 20, peak hormone production. At 30, 50% reduction. At 40, another 30% drop. At 50, you are running on almost empty. This isn't about looking younger. This is about how you feel, how you perform, and how your body functions. Think of peptide like a tiny cellular messenger. They are small protein fragments that tells your body to do specific job. Sermorelin and HGH peptides are like biological hackers. They trick your body into producing more of its own growth hormone naturally. Let me translate the science into real-life improvements you'll actually feel. Number 1. Fat loss mechanism. HGH peptide increases metabolism, targets stubborn belly fat, helps break down fat more efficiently. Number 2. Muscle recovery and growth. HGH peptide accelerates muscle repair, reduces workout recovery time, increases lean muscle mass. Number 3. Energy and performance. It boosts mitochondrial function, increases cellular energy production, improves mental clarity and focus. Number 4. Anti-aging effects. It improves skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, supports bone density, enhances hair and nail health. I have seen transformation that seems almost unbelievable. The 45-year-old executive who lost 30 pounds and got his six-pack back. The professional athletes who cut recovery time in half. The busy mom who finally found her energy and confidence. The weekend warrior who stopped feeling like he was too old to perform. Peptide therapy isn't for everyone, but it might be perfect if you are over 30, feel your energy declining, struggle with weight loss, want to optimize athletic performance, experience slow recovery, notice signs of accelerated aging. Now, here is the very important thing. This is not about DIY supplements. Proper peptide therapy requires comprehensive hormone panel, medical supervision, personalized dosing, and regular monitoring. I have dedicated my entire career at MyFitMed to help people optimize their biology. This isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and performing at your peak and reversing the aging process. Want to know more about the peptide therapy? Here is what you need to do. Follow us to learn more during our HGH peptide series and comment below with your biggest health challenge.